सो इट्स 10:45 AM टुडे। आज बहुत लेट उठा हूँ। इतनी अच्छी नींद आई बहुत टाइम बाद। सो नो रिग्रेट्स। वैसे भी आज इतना कुछ काम नहीं था। सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि व्हाई नॉट थोड़ा आराम से उठा जाए। वेल, गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज, एंड लाइक ऑलवेज आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एंड लेट्स गो। Baby. Good morning, Bacha. Kisha, my baby. Good girl. Papa, good boy, good boy. The first thing that I do after getting up is I have to take a bath. मैं और कुछ कर नहीं सकता, मेरा मन नहीं बैठता. So सबसे पहले I just have a quick bath and then get back. एंड वी आर बैक. सो हो गया मस्त एकदम, नहावा लिया और उसके बिना मैंने जैसे बोला मेरा काम तो होता है नहीं बिल्कुल. तो आज वैसे कोई स्पेशल व्लॉग तो है नहीं, ना ही कुछ स्पेशल है मेरे पास करने के लिए. यार बहुत टाइम से बोर हो रहा हूँ. तो आज यूजुअली तो व्हाट आई डू इज आई गेट अप, आई टेक अ बाथ एंड देन फाइनली आई टेक लेक्चर्स और समथिंग. बट अगले लेक्चर्स भी खत्म. तो द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज गेमिंग. सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर व्लॉग मैं नॉर्मली बताऊँगा कि how did I get Terra? So, for most of you who don't know, Terra is my little baby and she's my small doggy. Okay, so it's been almost 2 years since we have Terra now, and Jaise, the way we got her is pretty emotional to me because it wasn't planned. It was just that she just came like an angel to our family. So, I'll tell you the story. Let's go there. Trust me when I say, have you ever seen a dog sitting like this? Tara, what type of posture this is, huh? No, don't get shy now, huh? What type of posture was that? Which doggy sits like that? आज तेरा कुछ ज़्यादा ही एक्साइटेड है. Come. Bye. Babu. Good girl. Ki. आज पता नहीं इतनी एक्साइटेड हो गई है हमारी तरह. So when I first saw Terra, I was basically going to buy myself a bag. Okay, so I remember the date exactly. It was Mother's Day 2018 और मेरा एक ट्रिप था उसके बाद. So मैं और मॉम गए थे बैग लेने के लिए. और once we did the shopping, we came out and there was a very small gutter. Okay, like it was a very small kind of gutter in which you could only one person could go in and in case you want to. And I saw a small puppy on the corner of it. Like I think when I found her, she was the size of my palm, and she was not more than a week old because that's what the vet told once we took her later to the vet. Or I just couldn't see her that way because she wasn't moving. She wasn't like, her head was completely down and she was just stuck there. So I told mom आप कार में बैठो, मैं जाता हूँ. I got down in the gutter. I took her up and she was all black and all soggy, पूरा गंदा हो गई थी वो. और मैंने लिया और मैंने उसको कार में रख दिया. Now at that moment I wasn't sure whether I was gonna keep her, but I knew that my dad is a part of an NGO who works with stray dogs, cats and other animals, and they basically have a very large establishment and they keep those dogs, they basically foster them. तो मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है, इफ़ आई कैन हेल्प हर, बिकॉज आई कुडेंट कीप हर दैट वे डाउन देयर, तो मैंने आई टुक हर एंड आई थॉट कि मैं डैड को बोल दूँगा और वी कैन हेल्प हर इन सम वे. So later on, I got her home, और मैंने I just gave her some milk. She was so hungry. She just literally jumped inside that small plate. She was so tiny. She was very tiny. और she उसके अंदर गई. उसने लिटरली से मुँह के अंदर अपना सर डाल दिया and she started drinking. And थोड़ी देर बाद she slept there. She slept literally inside the plate. And मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डर गया. I'm like क्या हो गया इसको, बिकॉज लाइक यूजुअली आई हैवंट सीन अ डॉग ईटिंग एंड स्लीपिंग देयर. मैं काफ़ी डर गया. सो आई जस्ट कॉल्ड अप माई कज़न, बिकॉज माई कज़न हैज़ अ कपल ऑफ डॉग. उसको मैंने बोला यार तू आ जा, मेरे को पता नहीं, आई हैव गॉट अ डॉग और लाइक ये हिल नहीं रहा है, सो गया है प्लेट में. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डर गया था. बट लेटर ऑन शी वोक अप एंड शी स्टार्टेड डूइंग हर मस्ती, इधर उधर घूमने लग गई एंड आई जस्ट फेल इन लव विद हर. आई एम कीपिंग दिस. The one problem was that dad is always against dogs, not because he does not love dogs. As I told you, he's a member of an NGO, but the thing is all of us are working. I'm working, my mom works with dad's also out, and Mrugang, my brother, he was there at home, but soon he was gonna go for his flying as well, so he wouldn't be in the city. So we were like, yeah, she's so small, who'll take care of her? Because once dogs are big, it's still fine, they manage by themselves. But जब छोटे होते हैं तो काफ़ी उनका केयर करना पड़ता है. But then we somehow just kept her, and it's 2 years. And this Dumbo, see, I'll show you what this Dumbo is doing. Tara, what are you doing? What are you doing? Wow. Where did you get this from? What Gumo? What is this? What Gumo? Huh? What is this? What is this? This is what I show people on YouTube. This is what you do. See, you bum. You still want it. Now let dad come. This is his tape. Tara, say hi. Say hi. Do Gumo. Do. Now do Gumo. Bum. You see Tara's nose. Tara, show your nose. So Tara's nose was pink and it's still pink. See, one part of it is always pink. Tara, when will you grow up here? You're 2 years old now. Don't look here and there. Look at me. Look in the camera. See, oh wow. See, more things coming out of your mouth, you bum. So, a lot of people ask me what does Tera mean. Well, Tera doesn't mean anything. Tera is just a short form of terabyte. Yeah, I'm a tech guy and I wanted to name my dog Terabyte. And the moment I said this to my family, they judged me. And it's okay if you judge me as well. See. Now the reason why she's here is because I have biscuits kept there. And now she's playing with my equipment. Hey, bum. Idiot. So yeah, my family judged me. They're like, Terabyte. So out of embarrassment and shame, I had to name her Tera. And that's the story behind it. And Tara, you want to say something? No, she just wants to sniff around. Okay, so I guess that's it about the vlog today. It's a small sweet vlog. And here's my brother who just woke up at 12. Wow, see? Rohan, what does that sign mean? What? He's stupid. Anyways, so that's about the vlog today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, take care, stay home. And as always, stay... Okay, wait. Tara. Stay together. Come here. Stay golden. Don't sniff. What are you doing? My baby. Love you.